Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So today we're back with a new video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So let me take this chance to welcome viewers and subscribers of this channel that you are highly welcomed. So in today's video, the app we're gonna share with you, it's on Google Play Store. Head over to Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. In the search bar, you search for USA VPN Pro. USA VPN Pro. So you search and you scroll down. So make sure to locate the right app. So among the presented, make sure to pick the right app. So this is the app, USA VPN Pro. So take note of the app name, app icon, and install it on your device. And after installing this app, please make sure to read this VPN's app, its terms and conditions. Make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them, and also make sure to read your country local laws regarding VPN usage and make sure to adhere with them. And also you can read your ISP internet service provider terms and regulations and make sure that you don't violate them. So for the app to work, you must open it and you set it up. So you tap on the open button and the app will take you to its home screen, and on the home screen you will see a section where you see servers, or you can tap there. So from here you can tap on this button, the refresh server button right up here. So right here you tap right here, and when you tap right here you can see that the servers refresh. So make sure to update these app servers or resources, and by doing so you are helping this VPN app to update to the latest version in order to provide you with the best service when you are using this app to secure your connection. And after that you're required to pick a server. So you can either pick auto server or you can pick from any locations presented. You can see USA, Bangladesh, United Arab Emirates, and many more. So make sure that the server you have chosen, it has UDP as the connection method. If UDP is working in your country, so you just pick a server which supports UDP. This is because UDP is fast and secure when you are online. And if your country doesn't support UDP, simply tap choose the auto option. So for today's guide, we're gonna use the United States, and after that we are gonna insert a fast and a secure connection by tapping on this start button. When you tap on the start button, you wait for the app to connect, and within a few seconds the app will change the status to connected, as you can see right down here. And that's how we set up USA VPN Pro to get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when we are online.